Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into Ansible and AWS, a match made in cloud heaven. We'll explore why this pairing is a game changer and walk through setting it up. If you've ever wished managing infrastructure was less like herding cats, you're in the right place. Let's make AWS automation simpler, smarter, and just a little more fun. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Ansible is the friendly automation tool that doesn't demand a PhD in DevOps. Think of it like the Swiss Army knife for managing infrastructure. Pair that with AWS, and suddenly, cloud management becomes less of a headache. From EC2 instances to security groups, Ansible's got your back, ready to make your life easier. Let's get started. Why should you use Ansible for AWS automation? Because life is too short for manual configurations. With Ansible, we get consistency, scalability, and fewer oops moments. Imagine deploying AWS infrastructure without breaking a sweat. That's the magic of automation. And trust me, your future self will thank you. Setting up Ansible for AWS is easier than assembling IKEA furniture. First, install Ansible, piece of cake. Then, configure AWS credentials so Ansible knows where to work its magic. Playbooks, they're like recipes for automation. Follow the steps, and boom, your infrastructure practically manages itself. Managing IAM roles manually can feel like trying to herd cats, difficult and prone to error. Luckily, Ansible automates this process, ensuring consistent role assignments while improving security. By integrating with AWS APIs, we can say goodbye to tedious manual configurations. Let's make security seamless instead of stressful. Deploying applications should be smooth, not an obstacle course. Ansible makes it possible by automating provisioning and ensuring consistency across configurations. Say goodbye to deployment headaches. With streamlined workflows and improved scalability, you can focus on innovation rather than troubleshooting. Scaling infrastructure isn't about throwing more servers into the mix. It's about smart resource management. Ansible automates scaling, optimizes load balancing, and ensures cost efficiency. High availability. Absolutely. With Ansible, your infrastructure grows effortlessly, avoiding unnecessary expenses. Wouldn't it be great if our AWS resources came with a check engine light? Well, Ansible kind of does that. It automates health checks, tracks performance, and helps resolve issues before they turn into major problems. No more surprises, just smooth, reliable operations. Good automation isn't just about making things easier. It's about doing things the right way. By using modular playbooks, securing resources, and optimizing performance, we get the most out of Ansible. And don't forget documentation. It saves you from future "what was I thinking" moments. Ansible transforms AWS management from a time-consuming chore into an efficient powerhouse. We've explored automation, security, scaling, and best practices. Now it's your turn. Start implementing these strategies and take AWS automation to the next level. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.